Okay, this is lesson 6.3, which is called writing two-step equations. We're only writing the equations. We are not solving them. We will solve two-step equations in lesson 6.4. But for this lesson 6.3, we're just going to write from a situation, we're going to write a two-step equation, okay? So let's start with what even is a two-step equation. Well, a two-step equation has two operations that happen to get the solution. So here's an example. 2x plus 3 equals 21. So here's your x, here's your variable. Two things are happening to this x. First, the x is being multiplied times 2, and then 3 is being added. So you have two operations here. You have multiplication and addition. That's why it is a two-step equation. All right, so what we're going to do in this lesson is we're just going to write equations. We're not going to solve them, okay? So here's a situation. In January 2022, Silke wants to join a gym. The sign-up fee is $40. Then she has to pay the same amount each month for the whole year, 12 months. The total cost for the whole year is $460. How much will she pay each month? When you have a situation like this, the first thing you want to do is identify what is the problem asking for. The problem is asking for how much will she pay each month. When you find that, you let that stand for X. X is the dollar amount she will pay each month. Okay, so that's the first step. X equals how much she pays each month. Okay, that's step number one. Step number two, it says in the problem, what is happening to X? Well, it says here, she has to pay the same amount each month for 12 months. So whatever this amount is, X, she's going to pay it 12 times. So one time each month. So you heard me say 12 times, so that must be 12X, okay? What else is happening? Well, she pays a sign-up fee, and there is a total. So if we add the sign-up fee, the amount she pays for 12 months plus the sign-up fee equals the total. Okay? And basically, so we basically wrote the equation. So write an equation that represents the situation. This is all we're doing in this module. We're just writing the equation. We're not solving it. So basically, what happened to X in the problem? It was multiplied times 12 because she paid the same amount 12 times, once each month, and 40 is added to it for the sign-up fee to get the total. Okay? So let's try that with another sample, and then you can do your practice problems for 6.3, which is all about writing equations. We will solve them in 6.4. All right, here's another situation. A group of adults plus one child goes to see a movie. The ticket for one adult costs $9. For one child, the ticket costs $5. The group paid $77 total for the movie. Write an equation to find the number of adults in the group. So again, we're trying to find the number of adults in the group. So right away, you ask yourself, what am I looking for? And make that X. X equals the number of adults in the group. All right. Now, then we figure out what is happening to X. What is happening to that number? Well, it says the ticket for one adult costs $9. So if each adult is paying $9, I'm going to pay $9 however many times there are adults, right? We don't know how many adults there are. That's what we're trying to find out. But every one of those adults is going to pay $9. Okay, so I'm going to pay $9 X amount of times. So that's 9 times X, whatever the adults are. It also says one child goes to see the movie and the total cost is $77. So once we know how much the 9 adults cost and we add the price of the child, which was $5, I know the total is $77. Okay, so there is the equation for that situation. 9x represents the total cost for the adults, 9 adults times whatever the price is, plus the $5 for the one child equals $77 total. In this lesson 6.3, you're just taking situations and figuring out how to write the two-step equation.